fix PayPal backup stuck at percentage. So to fix a PayPal backup or data upload stuck at a certain percentage, you can start by checking your internet connection. Because a poor or unstable connection can stall file uploads, simply swipe down the control center from the top of your screen and then try toggling your connection. You can simply switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data and then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to reset your network. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache and data on your Android device and then upload the app on your iOS. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to your settings, then go to general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now find the PayPal app from the list, or you can just tap on the search bar at the bottom and type PayPal. Now tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap the reinstall app button to reinstall the PayPal app to your device. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the PayPal app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.